Hello viewers, this is Sridhar Alaramu, Vardhaman College of Engineering, Hyderabad. In this video, I will explain about osmosis and reverse osmosis. To know about osmosis and reverse osmosis, first we have to know about solute, solvent and solution. When solute dissolves in solvent, it forms solution. Example 1. In this example 1, salt is a solute. When it dissolves in solvent like pure water, it forms solution. Similarly, when sugar solute dissolves in solvent like pure water, it forms solution. If high amount of solute dissolves in solvent, it is called high concentration solution. If less amount of solute dissolves in solvent, it is called low concentration solution. This picture clearly explains osmosis and reverse osmosis. In this picture, lower concentration solution, fresh water, and higher concentration solution, salt water, are separated by a semi-permeable membranes. Vapor pressure on surface of low concentration solution is more than vapor pressure on surface of high concentration solution. Okay, you observe osmosis process, how it taking place. You see the picture of osmosis process in this slide. Okay, in this slide, in osmosis process, vapor pressure on surface of lower concentration solution is more than vapor pressure on surface of high concentration solution. This high vapor pressure on surface of lower concentration solution pushes solvent molecules into high concentration solution through semi-permeable membranes. This process will continue till vapor pressure of high concentration solution becomes equal to vapor pressure of low concentration solution. This is a spontaneous process. Like this, osmosis takes place. You see that reverse osmosis in the picture. In reverse osmosis process, external pressure is applied on surface of higher concentration solution. This external applied pressure is greater than vapor pressure on surface of lower concentration solution. Because of this external applied pressure on surface of high concentration solution, solvent molecules flow from high concentration solution to low concentration solution through semi-permeable membrane. This is non-spontaneous process. Like this, reverse osmosis process takes place. Come to the next slide. Osmosis is defined as the spontaneous flow of solvent molecules. Solvent molecules means pure water through semi-permeable membrane from lower concentration solution to higher concentration solution. What is reverse osmosis? What is its definition? Reverse osmosis: when external pressure is applied on high concentration solution, solvent molecules like pure water flow through semi permeable membrane from high concentration solution to low concentration solution. And what is mean by osmotic pressure? The external pressure applied on high concentration solution to stop the osmosis process. This is simplest definition for the osmotic process. This is simple definition for the osmotic pressure, but you can elaborate this definition of osmotic pressure like the external pressure applied on high concentration solution in order to stop the flow of the solvent molecules from low concentration solution to high concentration solution through semi permeable membrane is known as osmotic pressure. So you can write any definition for osmotic pressure. Next, come to the application of this osmosis. Osmosis process takes place in plants. Plants absorb water from the soil through this osmosis process only. You see in the picture, plant root hairs absorb water from the soil through osmosis process. In the soil, water is low concentration solution. Inside the plant root hair, solution is high concentration. Because of osmosis, water from the soil flows into the plant root hair. Like this, plant absorb water from the soil. You see clearly in the picture how the plants are absorbing the water. Okay. Next, come to this application of reverse osmosis. Most application of one of the important application of reverse osmosis is impure drinking water, borewell water and industrial wastewaters are purified by reverse osmosis process. Impure drinking water, borewell water and industrial wastewaters are high concentration solutions. As shown in picture, external pressure is applied on high concentration solution to get pure water by reverse osmosis process. As shown in picture, lot of water is wasted or rejected through drain. Through drain, lot of water is wasted or rejected. The drain is shown in the picture. How the water is wasted through the drain, that is shown in the picture clearly. In reverse osmosis process, only 25% of water is purified. Remaining 75% of water is wasted or rejected. Advantages of reverse osmosis: it is very easy to make pure water. It removes ionic, non-ionic and suspended colloid particles from water. RO water tastes better. By RO process, sea water, ocean water, which is saline, can be made fit for drinking. Ocean or sea water is salt in nature. By using reverse osmosis water, we can convert this salt water into drinking water. Disadvantages: RO water causes vitamin D deficiency. It removes useful minerals from water. Lot of water is wasted or rejected. Thank you.